Hey guys, well I'm out here in the shop gonna start tearing this thing down and just do a general health check on it because a bunch of stuff up top got melted and I just want to make sure that there's no real bad internal damage. Looks like the aluminum casting got a little on the warm side right here, it's melted, but yeah, that's what we're tearing her down for. I'll see if I can find my other intakes as well. Maybe we'll pull the intake off and check inside the journals and make sure that it didn't suck anything into the heads. So anyways, we'll just get to it. So first thing I'm going to do is get this chain out of the way. It's a 9/16 and I have that wrench right here. And then I will pull the carburetor off. It looks like 1/2 inch. So, and then yeah, everything's like 9/16 and freaking 1/2 inch, 15 mil on this. It's awesome. Just get all this useless crap out of the way. So I'll just start tearing it down and probably speed up this whole process so you guys aren't bored to death. Oil looks good even. It's not black. Like this guy said that the motor had right around what was it, 50 or 60,000 kilometers on it, and that was it. And yeah, I don't have a reason not to believe the guy. Forging hammer. Bring you guys in for a better look. Who knows, maybe I'll try to find some sponsors or something. Somebody willing to help me out with putting the freaking 4Runner together. Maybe throw a couple mods at her and hit the mud bogs this coming year. Yeah, the 2017 season. I'll have to talk to my buddy who owns another shop. See, because he does a lot of hot rods and stuff like that, so I'm guaranteed he's got some parts kicking around. Maybe we can work something out. I don't know what the heck that is. But it's melted. Yeah, she got a little warm. There's some friggin' carbon in there. Gasket's still good, surprisingly. That's freaking amazing, actually. But don't really care. Alrighty then. Oh man. Not even in this shot. Wow, I wonder if somebody cross-threaded this one. I wonder how long she was on fire for. The more I open up, the stinkier it's getting. Probably gonna have to be careful opening this thing up. Try not to drop a bunch of debris into the friggin' motor. But I'm probably gonna end up doing an oil change and all kinds of stuff to this before she goes into the 4Runner. Not shot again, back you guys up so you can see what I'm doing. Wish I had my good wrenches. Alright, she's ready to come off now. Find something to use as a pry bar. See if this thing, I was making a trim panel remover, but I didn't get to finishing it. So we'll see how it works. for this. And it's not tempered, and yeah, it's bending. Nice. As a screwdriver. There we go. You know what's coming when you hear it changing tones. Oh yeah, it's gonna want to pull the gaskets with it. Oh, it's just a factory intake. Disgusting. Okay guys, question time. Edelbrock Performer. This one's dual plane. Or Offenhauser something. I know nothing about this one. This one is a single plane. It's really deep. So which intake would you guys use, and what carb would you throw at it? Leave a comment below and let me know. I'm genuinely curious. So it's a 350. As far as I know, it's completely bone stock. The only thing done to it is it's been broken in and it caught fire. Now I'll pull the rocker grippers off, which is a 7/16, I believe. Yeah. I doubt I'll find anything terribly exciting in here, but you never know. It's good to know. So other things I plan on doing is running a set of long tube headers. I've got those race performance something others. I think they're like, oh, they're, what are they, hooker or headman? I think they're hooker headers, but they're like the expensive ones. I think they're $600 US for these headers, and I got them. I gave a kid a 454 out of a truck I was parting out, and he did all the work. He pulled it out himself and everything. So, well, it looks like I'm gonna have to pull the exhaust to get the bottom ones out, but that's not a big deal because I wanted to do that anyways. That's what I love about this motor. Everything's freaking, like, there's 3 different sizes on it. She'll be a whole new animal when I'm done with her. With your guys' help, of course. So I've been out of the 350 game for a long time. And in fact, I was never really in it. So, yeah, I'm gonna need your guys' help for not necessarily building this thing, but just what combination of what to use and what I can use on a severe budget. Unless I can get my friend who owns that performance shop to help out, but we'll see. And moment of truth. Almost. And moment of truth, for real this time. Perfect. Yeah, there is a bit of friggin' debris in here. Oh, you know what? That's directly below this, which, if I'm not mistaken, is the oil fill. So, directly below that, right all over that head bolt. So, not too sure what I think of that. But let's pull the exhaust and the pan, or the freaking lid off the other side. Whoa, don't sit on that. I really want to sit on that. Moment of truth again. Oh, this one's like really baked on there. There we go. This one's clean, surprisingly. There's nothing. There's even oil up top here. This side looks alright. The other side's got that freaking burnt debris on it. Decent. I'm satisfied with that. Not so much the other side, but let's see if I can give you guys a closer look. Yeah, there's that pile of burnt looking stuff there. But yeah. Oh, you know what? It looks like the gasket melted. That's what it looks like. So, yeah, she'll need a clean up for sure. Yeah, right. Yep. Gonna have to build a stand or something, but yeah, they're the hooker competition ones, and they've got this header running up and over versus just down. So that's the distinct feature of the expensive ones that I've found anyways looking at Summit Racing. So but yeah, I'm going to be running these long tubes into those thrush, where's my zoom, thrush welded, I think they're 2.5 inch, and then after those mufflers will be mounted directly to that, and then they'll just dump. So not much for exhaust. So yeah, I've got the Edelbrock Performer dual plane and the Offenhauser deep single plane, and then I can't remember what is on my 4Runner right now, but I had 3 of them to choose from, and I'm not really a big fan of the one that I've got on the 4Runner. But that being said, I didn't use it to its full potential because my timing chain was stretched and the thing never held time. It ran like crap. So yeah, if you guys want to chime in and let me know in the comment section what I should go with, what I should use for a carb, any little upgrades or tweaks that you guys think might be helpful on this before I drop it into the 4Runner, and yeah, that would be just fantastic. So I think that'll about do it for tonight. Did a bit of grinding. Looks like I just destroyed my belt. And then I tore down that 350 a little bit just to see what was going on with it. So anyways, I guess that'll do it for tonight. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care, guys.